Merry Christmas, motherfuckers. Time of recording. This is Christmas. I don't know when I'll finally get this thing edited. I'm doing really bad about that. Women went for a ride today in her CF moto. Mom dropped off the VULCAN. We got to install some Viking bags and repair a turn signal from a mild boo-boo. So that's the plan for today. We're gonna play with some bikes on this oddly beautiful Christmas morning here in Ohio. So they gave me the wrong turn signal, but I rewired it, crimped it, heat shrunk it, wrapped it in electrical tape to add a wire extension so it could properly fit this bike. Now it's on. Now we're going to reassemble and work on bags next. Alright, bags are on. They're a little dirty because I had to do them here in the driveway, but they're low, down, and far back. I think they look pretty damn good on this bike. They're alright to install. Just drill a couple holes, try to make sure you get them flat-ish, you know. Make sure they look relatively close to the same. All in all, probably a 3 on difficulty to install. Well, I got about an hour and a half into them. Probably could have spent more time on it, but it's not bad. Alright. Y'all know the stuff. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me I'm a dumbass. Tell me how you think it looks. Remember, it's Mom's Day, alright? Okay, bye.